Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your SBI debit card PIN. Setting your personal identification number is a crucial step for activating your new card or resetting an old one. We will explore the most common and secure methods available, ensuring you can manage your debit card effectively. Whether you prefer using an ATM, internet banking, or the mobile app, we will guide you through each option. This process typically takes only a few minutes to complete. One of the most straightforward ways to set your debit card PIN is by visiting any State Bank of India ATM. Simply insert your card and choose the PIN generation option. You will then receive a one-time password on your registered mobile phone. After entering this 6-digit OTP, you can proceed to create your new 4-digit PIN. Remember to choose a number that is easy for you to recall but difficult for others to guess, ensuring your account remains secure. For those who prefer digital convenience, setting your PIN through SBI's online banking or the Yono mobile app is an excellent option. After logging in, find the e-services or debit card services menu. Select PIN generation and choose the specific debit card you wish to update. You will need to verify your identity, often with your profile password or a one-time password. Once verified, you can securely set your new 4-digit PIN, completing the process in just a few clicks. Protecting your debit card PIN is paramount for financial security. Always remember that your bank will never ask for your PIN over the phone or email. Memorize your 4-digit PIN and avoid writing it down anywhere. Consider changing your PIN regularly, perhaps every 6 months, to maintain strong security. If you ever suspect your PIN has been compromised, contact State Bank of India immediately to block your card and prevent any unauthorized transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.